I look forward to making another video at some point in time. I'm still trying to work out this whole process, especially during the 30 days of trading with TradingView, that I can continuously just be up to date on what I plan on doing with these particular trades. But as it sits right now, I'm in BTC USD. I'm in CAD JPY from last week. Euro USD, I'm waiting for sell stops on both that and the TradingView one. And Euro AUD, I'm still in this trade as well. So those are my trades of today. If this was helpful, like I said, likes are free. It'd be great. Just helps the channel. Comment if you have any questions, any things you want me to elaborate on. Those are not necessarily free because they take a little bit of work on your part. And then you can subscribe if you want. Subscribers just really make me feel better. So it's not too big of a deal because, once again, it's more about accountability for me. I'm already going to do this regardless. It just helps me to explain what's on my mind. And sometimes I get a little bit of insight while I do that. So that's that. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. That was not what I meant to do.